Hello everyone, in this session we will learn how to set up ReactJS project. Why we have taken this step? Because sometimes we face problem to create a React app project using create React app template. Okay, so let's start. So let's open a terminal. Let's go to the desktop or wherever you want to create a React app project. Let's create a folder mkdir or sample react. Okay, react demo. So we have created a React demo and we will open this folder now in VS Code editor. Let's go to the desktop and let's React demo. Okay, it's a simply a very empty folder and we will set up everything from the scratch. So let's start. What we can do here, let's open a terminal from VS Code terminal and initialize the project by using the command npm init. We have an alternate option, we can use yarn. Then let's install three packages: npm install react, react dom and react scripts minus save. So it will install the required packages required for our React project. So this may take some time. Parallelly, what we can do, we can create a .git ignore folder. If you want to use Git for your project, and if you want to exclude the node module package. Okay, the process may take some time. Parallelly, what we will do, we'll create a two folder. One folder is the public and another folder is src. Src will contain all our source codes, that means JavaScript files, and public, inside the public we'll create a one file that's called index.html. Let's generate the source code for the HTML using the emit syntax. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we can see that our modules have been installed successfully. And in the index.html, what we are going to do, we are going to write a very simple thing. We are going to use div, one simple div having an id is equal to root. Okay, so now where we will go, we will go to our src folder and we'll create a file index.js file. This file is the execution point of our ReactJS application. So now let's write the source code for the ReactJS. For that, what we will do, we will import React from React package, and one more thing, we are going to import React DOM from React DOM module. Okay, and thereafter we are going to use React DOM dot render method, and here we are going to write what, the simplest program ever. We are going to use hello world. Hello world, this is element, and here we are going to write what, document.get element by id is the root. So the id which we have used in our index.html, this must be the, we will be using the same id here in the index.js. Okay, that's a very simple thing, and here we can start. We are good to run our React.js program. But since we have set up everything manually, so what we have to do, let's go to our package.json file and let's update some command here. We will be using what, React scripts for the same. and the command is react.start. Now what we can do, so only thing we need to add this. Why we have to do this? Because we are manually setting up the project. Now let's go to the terminal, clear the terminal, and we can type here npm start. So this may ask one thing, so we'll type what? Yes, and we are good to go. Now we can see the output. Okay, output is the hello world. So what we have done, we are able to create a simplest hello world React application. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's create a stateless function. Let's suppose welcome.js stateless component, what I mean to say, and after we will include that. So how to create a stateless function? So for that again we want to include import react from the module react, and to create a stateless function, what we need to write? We need to create function. What will be the name of the file? Welcome component. And here what we will do, we will return something here. We will return what? JSX. This is the JSX syntax. Again we can write what here? Div, and here what we can write? Hello stateless component. Now let's see how we can use this stateless component in our index.js, that is at the beginning, at the execution program, where the execution is happening. Okay, so one more thing we need to do here, we have to export this function. So now let's do what? Import the stateless component. What is the stateless component here? From dot welcome, and what is the name of our component? Welcome. So if you don't want to use simple element in our project, so what we can do here, what we can write? Welcome. So this is the welcome component we have created in the welcome.js file. So now let's see, this is the hello stateless component. Now another example of what? Stateful component. Let's this time we will be using the stateful component. So import react from react. To create a stateful component, we need to create a class. Export will create our class name hello as the name of our file, and we need to extend. Extends what? React dot component. Okay, again we need something class. Okay, and we have to do what? Whenever we are extending a React dot component, the minimum thing we have to do is what? We have to create a one method. The method is what? Render. I will not call it. We have to create a method. We have to override this method. Okay, and we have to return here again a JSX syntax. And here what we can write? Div, and inside the div what we can put here? Hello stateful component. Now it's good to go. Now we can use this stateful component where? In the index.js for the demo purpose. Import from hello. What is the name of the component? Hello. So if you want to change it, so this react.render actually paints the our page, and right now which component we are using? The hello component, that is the stateful component. Now let's see the output. Hello stateful component. Okay, that's it from our in this video. So if we need to recap something, two folder is important. src folder where we put all our sources file. Public folder, we just need to put a index.html, and in that we need to create at least one div with one id, having an attribute id. Okay, and the third thing which we need to take care is what? In the package.json we need to add the script, start script. Okay, that's it. If you want to set up React.js project manually without using any component template. Thank you.